Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Farming USA 2 series. Episode number 4, corn harvest. No, episode... I don't know what episode we're in, but all I know is that it's... corn harvest. And... we're just gonna fly right through this cornfield. Yeah, and there's already a vehicle pursuit. But right now, at the moment, I really do not care. I'm trying to get as much corn out of the ground as I can. Well, before August or October 2nd, the corn that we are harvesting, and then we just gotta move to another field. Let me check here. Let me pull it up on the Precision Ag map. Well, yeah, we got another field ready to go, ready to be harvested. So we're gonna harvest it here once we get this cornfield harvested. So we went the spring, and then we went so we're gonna do for the summer episodes, we're gonna do, I still have to decide on what I want to do for the summer episodes, but I think I have a pretty good idea. We may continue with the, yeah, I know what we'll do. We'll just continue with the, logging. So, and maybe a little bit of camping. Or maybe some tractor pulls. But if anything, we might end up so all we gotta do is just put the header back on the trailer once we're done with harvest. So there he goes down the field. Well, yeah, he's extremely dirty. My guess is that's probably just because of the... well, oh, he's done. So there's one field we have officially finished. Now we just gotta get over to the other field real quick and harvest it, and then we'll be done with harvest for the year. So we were able to finish one field of harvest. Yeah, we were able to do it all. But why is it not going? Yeah, well, now let's slow it down to turtle. So we're gonna put the header on the header trailer. Right there. Now let's get you nope. Let's get you on the way to the other cornfield. So we're gonna be moving equipment here. So we're gonna get the combine to the field first, then the truck, then the tractor, then the semi. So we got one field done. Honestly, though, I'm thinking, we got one field of corn completely done. Now we just gotta get to the other field. That is also supposed to be corn. No, we're just gonna run rabbit so we can get there quicker. So once we arrive at the cornfield, I am gonna park the combine out of the way. Switch to the tractor. That we're gonna hold on, let me pull it up. Let me pull the Precision Ag map up real quick. Don't mind the hayfield. So there we are. Turn right. So now we're almost to our field of corn. It's literally right here. So let's get you right there. Get you. Next, we'll just go ahead and. We'll just go ahead and take the semi next, because it is the next thing that we are in. So we'll take the semi. We'll get it out to the field, get it parked, get the truck hooked up to the header trailer. And my guess is we just jackknifed. Let's go one. And make the turn. Park the semi up on the other side of the road. Like on the road. Like right there's a good spot. Yeah, that'll be where the semi sits. So now we gotta do. We just gotta bring. One, two more things out to the field. The 8145 RX. Or the 88 RX 410. And then the header trailer to get to work on. So I'm just gonna park this probably up behind the semi, so that way like we can get I probably should have took the header trailer first, but it really isn't a big deal. So, really, the only thing is just when the winter, when the fall is over, no, wait, what? Hold on. Where's the right truck? So we got one trailer. We got one more thing to deliver. To the field. So now okay, maybe don't run rabbit speed. Yeah, just don't run rabbit speed. It'll probably be our safer shot, considering the field isn't even that far away. So once we get to the field, get the combine hooked up, get him rolling on harvest, then we're probably gonna fill the gravity wagon. So I've got a right here will be where the header trailer is parked. So yeah, well now, yeah, that'll work. I just gotta get up and around. So we're gonna head up, turn. Now I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this with the fence being right. Well, actually, you know what I can do? We're gonna pull the header. Went up and where's the combine? Wait, do I have it set on right? No, well, we need to have the truck face the other way. Well, like right there would be perfect. And then once we got the trailer or the combine hooked up to the trailer or to the header, then let me lower down, connect, and then pull it off the trailer. Gotta wait here for a second so I can move the trailer out of the way. So let's just move the truck up here to the road. Just to get it out of the way. Well, yeah, right. Well, when I need to, like once I get this combine rolling on harvest, then I'll pull in. Yeah, now we're kinda in the middle of a pretty brilliant idea. Even though, well, why are you doing that when there is more rows? Hang on. I'm gonna let him do his thing. I wanna see what this is over here. There's a tree stand. No, I don't need to unlock hunting. Well, yeah. Now, let's jump into the combine. Well, yeah, so once we finish this field, we'll be done with corn harvest. And then we'll worry about putting equipment away in the next episode, so I'm really not gonna worry about, like, putting equipment away as much. So now I'll head down here and move the header, trailer, and truck. Kinda back up. Close. Well, yeah, but well, I don't know what am I even stuck on. Well, oh, yeah, you're kinda screwed. Let's get that fixed. Tow home. Now let's just jump into the combine. Yeah, no, like I'll probably just leave the header on the combine. So, never mind. So, once we finish corn harvest for this field, we will be completely done with corn harvest. And the goal is to have everything done before the end of October. Well, I think we will. I mean, I'm not like too worried about it, but I know we might. Hold on, let's pull it up here on the Precision Ag map. Yeah, we're gonna have this field done before October 2nd. Well, yeah, no, I don't even know why. I don't even think I'll need a header trailer. But I'm gonna just keep it off the trailer for a while. Well, just because of... Well, yeah, darn, that header is getting really dirty. Well, hey, so is the combine. Yeah, that combine is really almost the dirtiest, probably the dirtiest piece of machinery on the farm. No, there's a lot dirtier machinery on the farm. But, well, if the combine's willing to get dirty and get corn harvest done, then I'm happy. Well, even if the combine gets itself dirty, at least we're doing it easily, and it's only 6:45. But once the corn is completely out of the ground, like it is here. Well, I mean, like the combine just like bit into it. Well, yeah, we got to get all this harvested. Well, yeah, I have the feeling that well, yeah, that 2 combine loads, okay. Well, 2 full combine loads are gonna fill that auger wagon. So, yeah, it is 7 o'clock, and corn is still not done. I was hoping to have it done by 7, but well, it didn't happen. We're still in the combine combining corn, trying to get as much of the crop out of the ground as possible and into the combine so we can get it into the semi and get it into storage. But once we get, well, we're at 81%. I'm just hoping we can unload on the empty side of the field. Well, yeah. Well, yeah, we might make it to 90% full on this row. Well, we're not gonna fill up on this one row of corn, but But we'll come close to it. Yeah, it looks like I'll have to put the tractor in the field. In the corn side. Wait. No, I won't. It'll be on the other side. So, well, maybe. You don't know that. Well, I mean, it's pretty obvious that once we get rolling, it'll be probably fill up really quick. Yeah, nope, then auger will be on the crop side. I knew that's how it would always end up. Well, maybe, yeah, it's gonna end up on the crop side. Well, yeah, unloading on the go. That's not part of my, well, like, yeah, the, crop will be empty into the green cart, and then we're gonna, well, yeah, when the combine stops to unload, I'll stop the farmhand and, unload completely, and then resume the farmhand while I take the cart. Well, I mean, technically, like, I can move the yeah, let's go ahead and move it. Well, yeah, I'm trying to give myself if I can get, yeah, well, truck just got itself. Well, yeah, we got. Okay, we're gonna. Yeah, we're having way too many harvest issues. For one, the truck is stuck. Well, yeah, like, I don't understand it. I mean, really, I can just, like, tow them home. Tow home. Tow home. And then go ahead and sleep for the night, and we will pick back up on August 2nd, or October 2nd. So now let's get hooked up to the grain trailer. Well, and then head on out to. Okay, well, wait a minute, I can go around. Down, and I can just, like, come down here. And then go around the building, and then head back to the field. Well, yeah, I was kinda hoping this wouldn't take this long, but sadly it is. Actually, they don't need to watch. So we got the truck back to the field. Now we just gotta go catch the combine. He's down there. I'm gonna have to. No, before I unload him, I'm gonna stop him and make him wait. Just because until I can get the combine, until I can get the auger wagon fully dumped. We're gonna do this. Now I have to manually do it. Alright, now keep coming right there. Now, oh yeah, we're probably gonna fill it. Well, we came close. We're at 84% full now. And there's not very much left to finish up harvest-wise anyhow. Now, resume corn harvest. And let's get this guy out of here so he don't get hit by the combine when the combine comes through. Well, I mean, technically, we could do this. I don't understand why he's paused. But we're gonna bring the truck out to the field over here. So the combine or the auger wagon doesn't have to drive all the way over there. So right there, I think's a good spot. Yeah, perfect. Now let's go over here and see why he's stopped. Well, yeah, there's like barely anything left. So I'm just gonna have him just hit it anyway. Now, go ahead and get whatever it is that's left in this field. Well, yeah, the more we get, the better chances we are to get more money when it comes time for money. But yeah, we'll move the combine out of the field and the grain cart out of the field next episode. But we are gonna be able to finish corn harvest before November hits, which I'm happy about. So, the cornfield is ready to be harvested. Well, the combine is extremely dirty. So is the header, but hey, summer or fall episode is here, so whoop-de-doo for us because we get less than the well, yeah, why, what are you doing? I have no idea what this guy is doing. Okay, yeah. Well, no. Are you seriously stuck? Well, oh my, I'm gonna have to tow it home. First, let's get the tow home. Then let's get the now let's go run. Now let's fill the semi with the corn we got in the grain cart. No, what I don't know is that are we gonna be able to well, yeah, we were able to. So I'm gonna go ahead and run this into the back to the farm really quick, and then go put this into the grain bin. Yeah, then first year harvest was a success, so I'm happy with the way it turned out. So, and we were able to get all the crop out of the ground pretty easy, and it didn't take very long either. What took the longest was just trying to get everything moved and switched. So we gotta pull all the way around. Like, not all the way around. We gotta make a decent turn. So the only thing is, once we dump into the bin, then I mean, really, all I have to do is just Well, yeah, now we are unloading. And is it still unloading? I can't. Is it still? So, hold on, guys. We're gonna check this. So, let's go. Market. Corn. Alright, that'll be the end of today's